ended up crashing into the police officer's vehicle before continuing to flee, only to hit a pedestrian. He was going so fast when he struck that individual. That individual was thrown over 190 feet. This defendant is a clear and present danger to the community. Unfortunately, what he allegedly did.
Face the camera. Say your full name.
Dave Jonathan Perez.
Thank you, sir. We're going to start with a traffic ticket where you missed the court date. When you missed that date, well, it's not exactly a traffic ticket, but when you missed the date, a judge issued an arrest warrant for you. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You also have the right to an attorney, and if you cannot afford an attorney, the court will provide one for you. Do you understand those rights, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. This will be ticket P1434406 with a charge of loitering. It's a misdemeanor charge. Maximum penalty you face is up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. I'm going to set aside the arrest warrant, enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a personal bond. And your next court is a pre-trial June 30th in front of Judge Ramsey Heath here in 36th District Court. Your other matter is 25-058183, State of Michigan versus Dave Jonathan Perez. Counsel.
Thank you, Magistrate. Steve Vincent for the people.
Christina Harris, on behalf of Dave Perez, who stands. And Mr. Perez has been advised of and understands the statutory and constitutional rights.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. As to bond, please.
Magistrate, we're asking for a $250,000 cash surety bond. If the defendant were to ever post that, we're going to be asking for a tether as well as home confinement. He's being charged with 4 15-year felonies. As you can see, the reckless driving, causing death, operating a vehicle while causing death, while his license is suspended, the fleeing first degree, and failure to stop after he caused a death. He was attempting to flee from police officers. And he ended up, from the way I read it, ended up crashing into the police officer's vehicle before continuing to flee, only to hit a pedestrian on Michigan Avenue. And I had to double check this just to make sure I wasn't seeing things. He was going so fast when he struck that individual was thrown over 190 feet. And that individual ended up dying. And while he's fleeing from the police, while he's striking pedestrians on the roadway, he's on bond with a tether. I have it out of Jackson Circuit for home invasion as well as domestic violence charges. I believe there's a witness, if not multiple witnesses, to this incident. It's also my understanding that it was caught on green light video. This defendant is a clear and present danger to the community. Unfortunately, what he allegedly did took one of those members out of commission permanently from the community. So respectfully, we're asking for that high cash bond with monitorization and home confinement.
Thank you.
The allegations, Mr. Perez is innocent unless proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Works on a full-time basis at a packing facility, works 12 hours a day, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. He is a life resident of the city. He lives with his family and his mother, father, and his 3 siblings. Understands the importance and the severity of these charges. He will appear for every court hearing day. And for that reason, we're asking for a 10% bond wherein he can return to work while this matter is pending. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And apparently this was caught on video. Is that right?
Green light.
Mr. Vincent?
Yeah, Magistrate, I see it as the entire incident being captured on the incident related to the striking of the pedestrian on green light video.
Thank you. Court does find Mr. Perez to be a danger to the community at large. Sir, while this case is pending, should you post bond, you'll have a GPS tether. Curfew on that tether will be 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. No driving, regardless of the status of your driver's license. Fine will be set at $250,000 cash or surety.
What was that amount, please? And thank Your Honor, please.
$250,000.
Thank you.
You will have a bond redetermination hearing in 2 days on June 18 from Chief Judge McConico. Further dates are probable cause conference, June 25, preliminary exam, July 1. Both of those are in front of Judge Takei here in 36th District Court. Thank you, sir. You can step aside.
Thank you, Magistrate.
Yep.